I'm trying the Insta360 GO Ultra, so let's begin the video now. Alrighty, so we're currently shooting on 4K, 30 frames per second on the Insta360 GO Ultra, as well as standard video mode, standard stabilization, and the highest bitrate. We're also connected to the Insta360 Mic Air 2 as well. In my opinion, it sounds fairly good. I'm not gonna lie, I like the microphone quite a bit, but we'll also do a series of tests alongside with the GO Ultra. As an example, I'm gonna go ahead and place a car mount on the window, so to speak, over here right now, and then we'll do both audio testing, and we'll also do a series of video testing too as well. Okay. Also, here we go. This is the Insta360 sort of car mount, and we're gonna go ahead and try it out and place you guys directly on there. Alrighty, so right now we're currently testing out the car window mount with the Insta360 GO Ultra. It's really cool the amount of perspectives that you can get in different shots that you can get with the camera specifically, and you can pretty much place the camera in a variety of different places, knowing that you can just mount it onto different windows or different like ledges and so on and so forth. And by the way, I feel like Ryan Trahan right now, just walking back and forth between the camera, but let's go ahead and close up. So earlier I was using this Insta360 sort of mini tripod. I'm a huge fan of it too as well. Let me just place you guys over here, or what I mean the audio quality, but you can go ahead and extend it all the way upwards and then downwards, and it also magnetically connects also this way too as well. Versatile, super great. And then we'll do some more additional tests. I'm actually going to show you guys what you look like on the ledge here. Gonna open up the camera here and then shoot with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. So this is the other POV perspective via the Ace Pro 2 of kind of what I look like in the B-roll, and super cool stuff for sure. And let's go ahead and continue and do more different perspectives and shots and all that. Alrighty, so we're continuing to walk sort of around this indoor mall. Let me just find my way through here. So we're gonna find something magnetic. Cool thing about the Insta360 GO Ultra is you can actually magnetically place yourself in a variety of different areas. Just watching my directions here, but the only caveat is sometimes you're not connected via the Insta360 Mic Air. So we're gonna go ahead and test out the bass audio quality with the Insta360 GO Ultra, and then you'll be able to see and distinguish both. Alright, so to preface right now, we're on the bass audio quality for the Insta360 GO Ultra, and essentially what we're doing right now is trying to find something magnetic where I can apply you guys on and then do some further tests with the Insta360 GO Ultra. Okay, excuse the background noises, but we found a place where I can magnetically put you guys onwards or onto, so we'll go ahead and try that now. Alrighty, so now we're on the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, and as you can see, this is the Insta360 GO Ultra. What you essentially do is basically with this orange tab and this button right here, you disassemble it, and then you could see it's completely separate from the base of the Insta360 GO Ultra. What we're gonna do right now is go over to the magnetic part, put you guys just right over there, and then you can record yourself from different points of view, and it's literally the sickest thing ever. We'll go ahead and go over to that angle now. Okay, as you can see now, we're currently shooting on the Insta360 GO Ultra. You're magnetically placed on the wall there, or like this magnetic post here, and it's really cool because as you can see, I'm completely separate from the case over here. You can see yourself right over here, and I could just see myself this way, and it's kind of really cool how it's completely separate and not together, but it could be together, and it's just really up to you on how you want to use this camera. It's literally the coolest thing ever, and let's just go ahead and move on to the next perspective. Alrighty, so back on the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, now we're going to do some additional POV tests. We have some really cool accessories here. We have the magnetic pendant. So basically what you do is just attach the pendant on your sort of body here, and then you put it behind your jacket. Make sure it's nice and sealed, and then you just go ahead and get your Insta360 GO Ultra, just attach it, and then all you basically do is place yourself right over here, and then you're well blended in the black clothing here, and then you could just do some really cool sort of chest POV shots. We're gonna go ahead and test that out right now, but I want to show you one more thing too as well. It's really cool, by the way. This is so sick. So now we have the headband attached to as well, which is another Insta360 accessory. What you basically do is you get the Insta360 GO Ultra out of the base, and then you just go ahead and apply yourself up top deck there, and then that's pretty much how you do another insane sort of higher POV. We're gonna go ahead and test those POVs out right now, and this is so exciting. It's super sick, and it's really cool for sure. Alrighty, so now we're gonna go ahead and test out the different POV perspectives. So I'm gonna disattach you from the base, and then we'll go ahead and start from sort of just down over here. Make sure you're straight. But yeah, as you can see, the camera is right over here, or like the base, and then you're just like walking on through and through, and this is what it looks like down from sort of the chest area with the Insta360 GO Ultra. And if I want to go ahead and switch on more a higher perspective, this is me from the headband perspective, which is a lot cooler in my opinion, and definitely a lot cleaner. So even if we turn over here, it looks really cool and stuff, but I think fact of the matter, this camera is really sick, and being able to sort of have the versatility to switch between different POVs makes it an elite camera for sure. Alrighty, so that's pretty much it to the video. I am connected back again with the Insta360 Mic Air and the Insta360 GO Ultra. This video is basically just to give you a perspective idea of how to use this camera and the variety of different ways that you can use this camera. Again, thank you guys so much for tuning into the video. Please take a look at all the affiliate links down below. It will help the channel tremendously. Use the coupon code if you want to get Insta360 products. And thank you so much to the team over at Insta360 for this partnership and collaboration, and also for sending over the Insta360 GO Ultra 2 as well. With that being said, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and peace out. See you later.